Energy is the basic necessity for the economic development of a country. Energy exists in different forms in nature, but the most important form is the electrical energy. Energy may be needed as heat, as light, as motive power. The survival of industrial undertakings and our social structures depends primarily upon low cost and uninterrupted supply of electrical energy. I am Dr. Satish Vaishnav, Professor and Head of Electrical Engineering Department, having an experience of 32 years. The Government of India has released its roadmap to achieve 175 gigawatt capacity in renewable energy by 2022, which includes 100 gigawatts of solar power and 60 gigawatt of wind power. Coal-based power generation capacity in India, which currently stands at 229 gigawatt, is expected to reach 330 to 441 gigawatt by 2040. The interconnectedness and flexibility of Industry 4.0 technologies can throw up opportunities to support transition to sustainable energy systems. The potential of information and communication technologies could also be harnessed to monitor and efficiently manage the generation, delivery, and consumption of the electricity from different sources to meet the varying demands of end users. Such grids could provide the flexibility necessary to integrate renewable energies like wind and solar into electricity networks on a large scale. Generation, distribution, consumption, and smart production of energy, all of these are going to experience an enormous revolutionary change due to technologies such as big data, IoT, cloud computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, robots and automation, and finally blockchain. All the above examples reflect the importance of electrical engineering in our day-to-day life.
Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Engineering Department at JD College of Engineering and Management. Department has well-equipped laboratories like electrical machines, power electronics, control system, electrical measurement, network analysis, switchgear protection, computer center, and electrical workshop. Electrical machine lab helps students to learn about AC/DC motor, generator, single phase and three phase transformer. The power electronic lab covers experimental study about various power electronics devices and converters. Similarly, control system lab make the student to understand practical aspects of PID controller, AC/DC servo motor, synchronous transmitter and receiver, and compensators. On the academic front, activity and project-based learning is implemented in Electrical Engineering Department. Department results are also consistently good with students seeking the merit position at university level. All students are encouraged to go for online courses like NPTEL and SWAYAM. Delta Forum is the platform for promoting curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Students are actively participated in sports and represent the college at various national and state level. Department organizes seminar, guest lecture, career counseling sessions by experts, industrial visits, workshops, online webinars, quizzes, etc. Teacher guardian scheme in the department takes care of individual students' academic as well as personal difficulties. Under CRT, from second year onwards, soft skill, aptitude, technical training is given to the students. For final year students, in-house CRT training programs are conducted for better placement and opportunities. All these students go for industrial training during vacations.